Welcome back to Everyday Race. Today I've decided to make another video about Ford Rangers since I haven't made one in a long while. It's been 3, 4, 5, 6 months, whatever. Well, let's make a video. Hopefully it'll help somebody. I'll be pretty happy if it does. So a lot of people have problems removing the hydraulic clutch line from their transmissions. Now this is a M50D transmission. It came out of my Ford Ranger, equipped with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. Now they install very similar transmissions in 3 liters and 4 liters. It's basically the same transmission, just the different bell housing and different gear ratios depending on the engine. So these trucks are equipped with hydraulic clutch system, which consists of a clutch master cylinder mounted on the clutch pedal assembly and a slave cylinder mounted inside the transmission. There she is. Now every time you have to pull the transmission from the truck or replace the master cylinder, you have to remove the clutch line, and a lot of people have problems with it because I think mainly because there are 2 types. The first time is the easy one. It's got slots and it has a clip. Unfortunately, I've lost the clip, but all you have to do is you have to pry the clip, remove it, and the clutch line will come out. Now this clip holds this line on the ridge. As you can see, there is a small ridge right in there. Easy peasy. The second one is this style. Let me remove this. And as you can see, it's got small teeth on the inside. It's kind of like a AC line, or just like air conditioning lines. You have to use a special tool to remove AC lines, but on this one you really don't need any special tools. Now, let me go ahead and install the line in the slave cylinder, and then I'll show you how to easily remove it without any tools whatsoever. Alright, let's get this sucker in there. There she is. She's in. Now, you can use a flathead screwdriver, or you can use your hands. So the trick in removing this line is you have to take this plastic. Plastic is kind of like a tool itself. So this plastic sleeve, all you have to do is you have to push it in, and then that will pry the teeth off, and it'll free up the line. So let me show you. I'm going to do it with one hand. One hand. So if I can do it with one hand, it's a lot easier to do it with 2 hands. So all you have to do, it's got a ridge. All you got to do is just slowly press it in. Make sure it goes in evenly. And just like that, the line will pop right out. There she is. Now that was real easy. And there's going to be it for this video. If you guys liked the video, hit a like button. If not, make a comment, suggestion, anything. I do read the comments all the time. And on that note, have a good day.